Okay, so this isn't the same bobbin case that you have, but it's very similar. Now the latch should flip in and out like this, and when you flip the latch, you'll see that this little piece here goes in like that. So if you look in the back, there's a screw. It's a tiny little screw, so you need a small screwdriver, and you take your screwdriver and you loosen this latch screw. That thing was in crooked. Huh. Anyway, just, and be careful because that's a tiny little screw. Don't lose it. So once that screw's out, then be careful. Hold it so it doesn't go flying, and take the latch and go all the way over. And then you'll see that this piece slides out. Now, there's a spring hiding in there, and you need like a tiny needle. I'll see if I can get it out with this thing. There it comes. Okay, so there's a little spring in there. Okay, so once you get the latch, if it doesn't have the spring, it's going to give you trouble. So there might just be some crap in there that needs to be cleaned out. So you can use different stuff. This is just 70% isopropyl alcohol. You could spray alcohol in there, and you can be pretty liberal with it. It's a basic solvent. I'm going to spray it on this toothbrush, and you can just scrub it real good, and see if you have an air compressor, you can blow it out like I just blew my air compressor, and then very carefully drop the spring back in. And if you need to, you shouldn't need to, but you could put a drop of oil in each one of these little slots over here. And then you take your latch, and you have to make sure that this little hooky thing is pointing away, and bring it in and push it in and pull the latch until it hooks back over like that and flicks. Then put the screw back in, and that prevents it from accidentally flipping open again. And then maybe it'll run smoothly and fit in there properly. But because when you go to put the bobbin case in, you open it up and stick this in, and then when you let go of the latch, it holds it in place.